Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech My High. In the last video, you have seen all about the OOPS features and the public static void main, etc. all in the Hello World program. In this video, we will be discussing about the background process that happens when you execute your Java file. So you can see on the screen, we have our Hello World program with us. So before executing any Java program, you need to save this file in a format like filename.java. The file name is nothing but the class file. In our case, our class name is Hello World. So the file name should be hello world.java. See, we have our Hello World program, which is hello world.java. So while executing your program, you will be having two phases and we will discuss them. So in our case, I am executing it using command prompt. See, we have our command prompt. If you are using IDEs like Eclipse or some online compilers, there is no need of entering any commands. You will be having some buttons. When you click on the button, you will be getting an output. But in case of CMD, you need to execute some commands. Before executing your Java program, you need to see two things, which are compilation and running. What is compilation and what is running? Let's see. So the first step in executing your Java program involves java c space hello world dot java. The first step is java c space filename.java, which is the compilation process. So when you click on enter button, you will be displayed with some errors if your program is having any error. If there is no error message, it means your program is perfect. So when you compile this program, you will be getting a .class file. See, we have our .class file with us, which is hello world class file. So what is the use of this .class file? What is the difference between this Java file and class file? Firstly, when you compile a Java file, it will yield you a .class file, which means the .java file is converted to .class file, and this .class file can be transferred anywhere and can be run on any machine to get the output. So what is the need of creating .class file? Since you are having Java file, what is the need of creating .class file? Because for example, if you want to demonstrate your application to the client, if you send any Java file to the program, he will be able to see what is the code you have written. But if you send .class file, he cannot see the code you have written, because the .class file will be having a bytecode format. Let's open the files. See, when you open a Java file, you will be having the program code what I have written. But in case of .class file, we will be having some different format which is called bytecode. You cannot be able to read them. So it gives you a security feature. So when the client needs to run your application and wants to see the output, you can just give him the class file so that he will be running the class file in his machine and sees the output. So after the compilation, you need to run the program java space hello world. So the syntax for running is java space file name, which is java space hello world. So when you click on error, incorrectly entered the name java space hello world. See, the file name is hello world. I got the message like hello world, which is our output. So if you are having no errors, you will be displayed with the output.
Okay, we have seen the execution part. Now we should see three main things in Java, which are JDK, JVM and JRE. What are these and what are the differences between them? Let's see. Firstly, when you install the Java software, you will be having your Java folder in your C directory, right? See, let's go there. So in the C directory, I have my Java files in programming files x86 folder. So see, I have the Java folder here. So when you open this, you will be seeing JDK and JRE. So what is JDK firstly? So JDK will be having some development tools along with JRE. See, I will be opening JDK. You can see JRE and some other folders and files. So what are these? So JDK will be having some development tools along with JRE that helps to build your Java applications. So then what is JRE? JRE provides a runtime environment for your application. So it helps in running your application successfully. So JRE will be having only the runtime environment, whereas JDK contains both developing tools and JRE. So when you build your application, you will be developing your application using JDK. When you want to run your application, you will be using JRE to run your application. Then what is the role of JVM and what is JVM 2? JVM means Java Virtual Machine, which will be initiated when you want to execute your program. So when you build your application using JDK and run using JRE, it will initiate JVM to execute your program successfully and give you the output. So JDK will be having some development tools along with JRE, and JRE will be providing you the runtime environment for your application, and JVM will be initiated by the JRE to run your program successfully and give you the output. I hope you are clear with the content. Thanks for watching the video. If you really love our video, please do like and subscribe to our channel and share this video to maximum. Thank you so much.